Hey, thank you for clicking on the video. Today we have the Vevor post hole auger. We're going to be putting it to the test out here. I've done a video on it once before. I'm just going to pump it up. We're going to get it going. I have the bit that it came with, the larger one, maybe 9 inches. And then I have the littler bit that says it's actually 15 centimeters. Putting it together is really easy. Basically, you have these pins. You piece together each extension piece, and then on the motor, you actually have a piece that you put the shaft right in there and you pin it. All right, so here's the hole we have. Easily 3 feet. We're gonna send another one here. First start, every time. Well, as you can see, it's about 82 degrees out here today. I'm dropping these posts and it is hot. It's muggy. The bigger hole saw is harder to run than the smaller one, but we're gonna pop the smaller one on and we'll take a look. I'm gonna get a quick measure on that second hole. About 42 inches. All right. Now we're going to make the swap to the smaller head, and we're going to see if that changes it. Not too bad. Switch over. See what we got. The hole's about, I don't know, 5 inches wide, roughly. The bigger saw, the hole's about 8 inches wide, roughly. So, anyways, this is my Vevor post-hole digger. Well, thank you for watching the video. If you'd like to watch the unboxing video where I actually put the unit together, I'll leave that in the description. I'll also leave a link to the product. For what I use it for, I hardly need it, but when I need it, I'm glad I have it. Call Mistig before you dig. Be safe. You know, this thing can wrap you up. This thing has a ton of torque. It can bind you up so good. So just be safe with it. You hit a rock or a root, you're going to feel it. Take care. Check out the other video if you want to see more. Yeah, I'd say about 42 inches down there.